Hello students, welcome to Aligarh Coaching Center. I am Sadakat Ali Ansari, Faculty of English at Aligarh Coaching Center. I have been teaching English at Aligarh Coaching Center for the last 4 or 5 years. Here I would like to introduce you with the syllabus of English. You better know that English is very important part of every competition nowadays, be it CAT, MAT, SSC, Bank PO, MBA, B.Ed, uh, BA entrance, BCom entrance, or BSc entrance. Okay. So I would like to introduce the syllabus to you. What are the important topics which needs to be covered for cracking any competition? First, let's begin with tense. Second one, active and passive voice. Third, direct and indirect speech. Fourth, prepositions, conjunctions. Fifth, common errors. Sixth, idioms and phrases. Seventh, one word substitutions. Eighth, antonyms and synonyms. Ninth, comprehensions. 10th, sentence arrangement. 11th, sentence improvement. And 12th, close test. These are very important topics which needs to be covered for cracking any competition. Especially we focus on MBA entrance, B.Ed entrance, BA, BCom and BLLB. Okay. So it is very important to have a brief knowledge as well as elaborative knowledge of all these topics. This is the syllabus. The slight difference between syllabus and pattern of questions. सिलेबस और पैटर्न में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है. ये सिलेबस है जिनसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. पैटर्न मींस व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स. फॉर एग्जांपल टेंस का वेटेज कितना है, एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस का वेटेज कितना है, प्रीपोजिशन से कितने क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड पैटर्न. ओके. So from now onwards we will try to cover every topic one by one, okay, as per the availability of the teachers and the tools, equipments. We will try to cover all the topics one by one, okay. The first one is tense. In the regular classes of the coaching institutes, MBA, B.Ed, BCom, BA entrance, we have covered this topic very elaborately in a very detailed manner. सबसे पहले शुरुआत करते हैं टेंस से. ओके. टेंस से you can imagine or you can expect 4 to 5 questions. Active passive voice 2 to 3 questions. Direct indirect speech 2 to 3 questions. Prepositions 4 to 5 questions. Conjunction 2 to 3 questions. कॉमन एरर्स इनसे 2 या 3 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, कभी कभी 4 क्वेश्चंस भी आ सकते हैं. idioms and phrases, this topic is very important for MBA and B.Ed entrance and for BLLB also. 3 to 4 questions are expected. One word substitution, 3 to 4 questions are expected. Antonyms and synonyms, this is very critical, very important as well as very significant topic. Both are different. Antonyms means opposite words, synonym means similar words. Okay. You can expect 4 to 5 questions. Comprehensions, a passage will be given to you, a passage consisting of 2 or 3 paragraphs, and 4 or 5 questions are asked based on your understanding about the particular passage given. ठीक है. Sentence arrangement, you'll be given jumbled words, you have to arrange a sentence into meaningful sense. Sentence improvement, here also you will be given fill in the blanks. एक सेंटेंस में एक ब्लैंक हो सकता है, 2 ब्लैंक हो सकते हैं, और you will have to fill it with appropriate words given in the options. Close test is very important topic, okay, especially for MBA and B.Ed entrance. Okay. So ये हो गया syllabus और pattern. 2 to 3 questions are expected from this topic. 2 to 3 questions from this two. Close test 3 to 4 questions. So in 100 marks competition, 25 marks is devoted to English. So it is very, very important for cracking management as well as B.Ed entrance test. You'll have to have a concrete concept, a very elaborative practice, as well as uh, a detailed study of last year's question papers. Then only you are expected to qualify the competition of your choice. Okay? So in the next class, we will try to pick any of this topic and we'll try to cover it on board. Okay? So my humble request to all of you to kindly go through the live classes, kindly attend the live classes of Aligarh Coaching Center, because with the effort of the management and with the effort of all the dynamic teachers of this coaching institute, we are bringing these services to you for the sake of your convenience, and we are trying our level best to provide you the maximum facilities, because lockdown is going on and probably you are staying at home. So it's my humble request, my personal request to all of you, don't waste the time, because test may happen sooner or later. Test may happen and you will have to appear on that test. Okay? The syllabus is given to you, and for the students who have been attending the classes since the beginning of this coaching institute, this is my humble request. Those who have completed the syllabus, please go through the class notes, go through the assignments given to you. Okay, if you have any problem, contact the concerned teachers. Okay, because no confusion, no doubt should go this way. You'll have to clear all the doubts, you'll have to clear all the confusions as soon as possible before the commencement of exams. Okay, so please pay attention and attend the classes regularly. Thank you very much.